This session focused on exploring the concept of eternal life and its implications within the context of 1 John, particularly chapter 4 verses 7 to 12. The main themes included understanding God's purpose in giving us eternal life, recognizing our oneness with Christ, and experiencing the love of God as an integral part of His divine nature. The discussion emphasized the importance of moving beyond intellectual understanding to experiential knowledge of God's indwelling presence. Key concepts explored were the obedience of Christ as exemplified in Hebrews 5, the perfection of Christ's humanity, and how believers are raised with Christ through His eternal life. We are encouraged to reflect on our personal awareness of possessing eternal life and knowing God as a person. Resources mentioned included the epistle of 1 John, Hebrews, particularly chapters 2, 5, and 11, Ephesians, and Ezekiel 36. The session concluded with an encouragement to continually seek a deeper understanding and experience of God's self-appreciating love and the unsearchable riches of Christ in our daily lives.